Watashi wa niputu hinayanti desu. Minato yonde kudasai. Nijuyon bang desu. Juichi nensei desu.
Watashi wa Kodeswar desu desu. Yuto yonde kudasai. Nijusan bang desu.
Watashi wa Komande desu Kiananta desu. Minato yonde kudasai. Nijuroku bang desu.
Watashi wa Nikade desu Mantai desu. Yuto yonde kudasai. Nijuhachi bang desu.
Watashi wa
Baik teman-teman semuanya, sebelum kita memulai pekerjaan hari ini, marilah kita berdoa. Berdoa menurut kepercayaan agama masing-masing, berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai. Stigmas, kompeten, inovatif, siap kerja. Good morning, laundry service. Pina speaking. How may I assist you?
I'd like to book a laundry, please.
Alright, please. May I know your name and your number, please?
My name is Linda and phone number 301.
Alright, Miss Linda. What time would you like to our staff collect your laundry?
I think today at 12 a.m.
Alright, Miss Linda. Our staff will come to your room at 12 p.m. May I confirm, would you like to be a regular service or express service, Miss?
I think I would like to choose the regular service.
No, Miss. May I know if you have any special instruction or delicate item?
No.
Alright, Miss Linda. Our staff will come to your room at 12 a.m. and your laundry will be returned at tomorrow at 6 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No.
Thank you, Miss Linda, for calling. We will make sure your laundry will be collected at 12 a.m. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Good morning, laundry service, please. Good morning. Good morning, miss. I'm Lee from laundry service. We ordered this for your laundry. Can I bring your room? Today? I'm good, thank you. I'm good too. And where is your laundry bag? Can I check your laundry? Yes. We have one bucket and it is nothing problem. And it's your bucket and it's nothing problem. Oh, sorry. But my skirt, there are blood stain on this skirt. Can you fix that? You need help for fill your laundry? Okay. May I know your name? My name is Linda. Your room number is 301, is that correct? And your laundry is 3 bucket and 1 skirt. In our hotel, we have 3 handling process. First is laundry, second is dry cleaning, and third is pressing. Which one you want? Could you please tell me explain about the river? Yes. For laundry, we use water and detergent. For dry cleaning, we use salt and no water and detergent. For pressing, we only press your clothes. I think I will choose the laundry service. In our hotel, we have 3 services: regular service, express service, and special service. I will choose the regular service, please. For special instruction, we have 2 on hanger or out hanger. I think I'll do it. Alright, please sign here to introduce your request. Your room number is 301 and your laundry is 2 jacket and 1 skirt. Your handling process is laundry. The service is regular service. And for special endorsement is for the payment, you can pay in our cashier hotel or non-office. Alright. You need to set up your new laundry bag.
It's okay. I can do that.
This is your new laundry bag.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, Miss Nina. When you need something, you can call from office. And that's all. Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Alright, thank you. Have a good day.
Dari Miss Lia, dari itu kemarin ada satu, terus ada 2 jaket dan 1 rok yang udah datang. Kalau masih nanti mungkin oke, gitu. Thank you.
Gagawin natin yun na lang.
Toilet on reception, please. Good evening. Toilet on reception, please. Good evening, please. My name is toilet on reception. I'm here to